You might know vitamin D as the sunshine vitamin because our bodies convert sunlight into vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin and a regulatory hormone that plays a key role in overall health. Research indicates that vitamin D is important for the absorption and use of calcium. Vitamin D helps build and maintain strong bones, teeth and muscles, supports normal blood pressure and nerve function, as well as immune defenses. But factors like indoor lifestyle, use of sunscreen, and low amounts in our diet have made it one of the most common nutrient deficiencies. According to our research, approximately 60% of the African population has vitamin D inadequacy. It's time to shine a light on your health with NEOLIFE Vegan D, a plant-sourced, whole food proprietary supplement to give your body the vitamin D it needs. Formulated by expert doctors and scientists, each tablet provides 400 IU of vitamin D, the equivalent of 10 eggs. From 2 proprietary whole food sources, vitamin D3 from reindeer lichen, a unique edible source of lichen free from allergens, and one of the only completely vegan sources of vitamin D3, and vitamin D2 from mushrooms, one of nature's most concentrated whole food sources of vitamin D. This also provides whole foods beta-glucans, known for its benefits to the immune system. We go to great lengths to ensure these ingredients are naturally and sustainably sourced, and it's 100% vegan, made entirely without animal-sourced ingredients of any kind. As always, NEOLIFE guarantees quality and safety for you and your loved ones. Every raw material and finished product is tested to strict standards to assure the highest levels of safety and quality, including heavy metals, microbes, solvents and pesticides. It's time to shine a light on your health with NEOLIFE Vegan D.